Africa Content TV.
Common comportment. Eyipo Jumami, 70 looking like 17. When you are 80, you will be looking like 18. When you are 90, you will be looking like 19. When you are 100, you will be looking like a 20-year-old girl. Please come forward. Please come forward. Step forward. Look at Mama to decorate the most outstanding wife of Ibadan land. The most beautiful wife of Ibadan land. Ìyàwó tó dára jù ní ilẹ̀ Ibadan. President General, please join us on this podium. The chairman of the occasion, please join us, sir. Thank you very much.
And with that, we would like to invite for our wife of the governor of your state, please make welcome Her Excellency Chief Mrs. Tabunamileni Olufunke Makinde. We know the governor will stand and join our his wife. As
ìlú olókìkí Ìbàdàn, ìlú olóyè, orí rẹ̀ dà, olúfúnkẹ́ orí rẹ̀ dà. Ọjọ́ orí yìí là ń jáná, bàbá onífọ́tò. Ẹjọ́.
please spread out.
Ẹjọ́ jẹ́ bàbá wa. Bàbá yẹn olúfúnkọ́ ní kí ìwúrọ̀ sọ fìtìfìtì ìbíra yìí o. Ìdí abínibí wa la máa sọ. Ọkọ rẹ̀ bá délé ló ń sọ fún lóyìnbó. Ìyá wa, ìyá àkọ́kọ́ ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́.
Ìyẹn ni ó dá ìyẹn ni ó yọ.
Ìyá wa
Kílẹ̀ ń wá kiri, ẹ dúró mẹ́rin.
Makinde, aya bàbá wa, aya ọ̀gá wa, Abíọ́dún Olúwaṣèbí ọmọ Makinde ni là ń fún ní ẹ̀yẹ lénìí nítorí wípé ìyàwó Ìbàdàn gidigidi ni. Gbogbo nǹkan tá a bá dẹ̀ ń ṣe ní Ìbàdàn, àmì ẹ̀yẹ ìtọ́sí àbí òtọ́sí.
Ó tọ́ sí wọn.
Lẹ́yìn òkè ṣe ojúṣe dúró ìwà ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀wẹ̀nu ọkàn. Wọ́n ní ọmọ tó bá dára, ọmọ wa mójú lọ́jà. Ọmọ wa ó mójú lọ́jà, ó ra tó dára. Ẹ̀yin náà wo adúmáadán, dúdú yẹmí, dúdú parí ọlá, òrékè lẹ́wà, olúfún ẹ̀yà ìbàdíà.
Kábíyèsí, please join the picture. Kábíyèsí, kindly join. His Excellency, the Deputy Governor and his wife, please. His Excellency, Vice Harrison Boralume, please join. Representative of the TV, please join. Honorable Justice Eketola, please join the photo.
Àmì ẹ̀yẹ yìí, lẹ́yìn náà bá rí ọbẹ̀ tó dùn kí ló wí. Lẹ́yìn náà bá rí ìyàwó wa, adúmáadán, dúdú parí ọlá, dúdú yẹmí, òrékè lẹ́wà, ìbàdí àrán, aya Abíọ́dún. Central Council of Ibadan Indigenous, in line with its activities to mark Ibadan Cultural Festival 2024, conferred the most outstanding wife of Ibadan land, Ayatiani MOW, on Her Excellency, Engineer, beautiful wife, Olufunke Tamulomi Makinde, the First Lady of your state. In recognition of your exceptional commitment, outstanding qualities, and positive contribution to the development of our land and humanity. On Saturday, 27th July 2024, presented by me on Layeka Mutiata Ladoja to our beautiful wife, our black and shine, the epitome of beauty. Congratulations. Oh, Shemi!
ẹ káre o fóònù ẹ fẹ́ ń lò tẹ̀lé ọdún mi lójú o.
èèyàn máa ń pọ̀ ní fóònù ẹgbẹ́ dání ẹ̀ ń blọ́ọ̀kì àwọn táwọn lẹ́yìn. ẹ jẹ́ kí a tún sẹ́yìn.
On behalf of Central Council of Ibadan, in line with its activities to mark Ibadan Cultural Festival 2024, most outstanding friend of Ibadan, His Excellency Alhaji Barrister Abdulrahim Adebayo Lawal, the Deputy Governor of Oyo State, in recognition of your exceptional commitment, outstanding qualities, and positive contributions to the development of humanity. Today, Saturday, 27th July 2024. Congratulations.
A round of applause for all the awardees. His Excellency the Deputy Governor, His Excellency wife of the Executive Governor. Can we take one more shot with the plaques?
I wouldn't have been entitled to this honor. So, my darling husband, the governor of Oyo State, Omo Ibadan, I also want to acknowledge my fellow recipient, who is also the Deputy Governor, and his wife, our very own mom, Mama Motika, Your Excellency, thank you. I want to acknowledge all the political appointees. My husband once said, I'm not good with protocol, so pardon me. I also want to acknowledge the old of Ibadan land. I also want to thank our royal fathers, Baba Egbe, and all our spiritual fathers here present. I want to say thank you for the prayers and being here for us. On behalf of everyone, I want to say thank you. The chairman of this occasion, I want to thank you, Deacon Owolabi. I want to say thank you. I also want to acknowledge the press, ladies and gentlemen. The CCII President, Egbe. Thank you, for everyone. I want to extend my sincere thanks to the Central Council of Ibadan Land, to the Central Council of Ibadan Indigene, for honoring me as their standing wife of the Ibadan land. I feel highly honored. Thank you very much. Long live Ibadan land. Thank you, everyone. And on behalf of my fellow recipients, we are honored and we want to say thank you. God bless you.
Round of applause for Her Excellency, Chief Mrs. Kamuno Minini Olufunke.